Tabitha. Tabitha, what do you see? What are you pointing to? Oh! What's that? Are those elephants, huh?
Yay!
We're closer to them. Do you like them? Tabitha, do you see the elephants?
Yay!
Wow! She's pointing at them. She wants to touch them. Tabitha, where are the elephants, huh?
Where's the elephant?
You see them?
Where's the elephant?
Well, look at the elephant poop. Don't set her on that thing, or I'll tell you. William.
Set him out. Yeah.
Tabitha, look.
Look at that.
Look. What? Can you say hi to the elephant? Say hi, elephant.
Hello, elephant.
Hi, elephant.
What's your name?
Wow.
Is your name Nettie?
Looks like the elephant wants to eat. What's the elephant say, huh? Oh, you like him? You like him, huh? You want to take one home?
You want an elephant with me?
Okay, let's go see the other animals.